Fucking bullshit. Yeah. Alright, King of the Hill. Woo. I'm gonna get rained on. Fuck. Alright. So this is where I'm at. It's starting to rain. My bike won't start. We're not anywhere near where we want it to be on our second day. But I don't really care because we're on vacation. It's all part of the trip. The only thing that sucks is that it's pretty humid. It's really warm. On the bright side, the rain will take care of that. Alright, second gear. No! Fuck you! Fuck. Alright. Take two. And I was wondering where I'd get my workout this on vacation. I don't need no gym. Alright. I'm leaving my gear here this time. Might be less awkward to push. It's starting to rain for real now. Alright, let's do this shit. Okay, cool. Come on. No! You piece of shit! Why won't you fucking start? Take three, bitches. I don't know what's wrong with it. I need water. Pardon? Ouais, s'il vous plaît. Ok, je vais me monter en haut. Est-ce que vous pouvez me pousser? Ok. Ah, j'apprécie vraiment, c'est... Bon, je vais me dépêcher, là. Ça va pas long. Ok. Ouais. Ah, merci beaucoup. Ah, merci beaucoup. Vraiment. What the fuck? Right when it starts to rain. I'll see. Thanks. Oh, thank you so much. Where do you go? Oh, that lady was so nice.